Day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas. Today's episode will be treats in the tray. All these goodies I showed you at the end of the last video, we're going to be creating more and more Christmas gifts. So let's just jump right into it. Guys, so we're starting with these amazingly lit up Christmas lanterns. I love them. They're so cool. Not only do they light up, but they change color. So first we're going to put in these beautiful, yummy looking snowflake marshmallows. I'm going to put them in both lanterns, followed by a candy cane, and then we will package it up. Again, this can be for colleagues, friends, family, etc. A lot of the gifts I will be creating over the next few days will actually be dual gifts, meaning you can enjoy the edible content inside the packaging, and then you can later use the lantern, whether it be a cup, a mug, or a basket, for later use around the house or whatever you like. So now we're going to grab our beautiful Santa bags that were in the Christmas tree haul. Again, if you did not see, go ahead to my channel, check out that video. I brought a bunch of goodies, which are all the gifts we're creating from it now. So we're going to just wrap this up. Again, this was quick, easy, and inexpensive. And you can make 3 of these, 10 of these, 20 of these, and give them out, and your friends and family will love them. Look how fast and easy that was. We're all done. Now, since we are on the second day of Christmas, we're going to create 2 separate Christmas items. So moving along, we have some Santa cups, red cups with the black Santa belt. Again, quick, fun, and easy. Now, if you stay tuned, you're going to notice that my gifts not only get more creative, more fun, but they get more exclusive. So be sure to keep sticking around. Here I am putting in the decorative shredding. And if you've watched enough of my videos by now, you would know that I love decorative shredding. So here you will see me adding these beautiful, gorgeous Belgian cookies. Some of them are white chocolate with peppermint crunch, and then the others are chocolate with red, white, and green sprinkles. We're going to be adding some candy canes to each of these cups, and of course we're going to package them up so everything stays in one spot. And for these Christmas items, I will be using the iridescent cellophane bags. Now just imagine how excited your employees will be if they came into work the last few days before the holiday and saw this item on their desk. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's the 3rd day of Christmas. I promise you, you will love the creation. It gets more fun and exclusive.